Select sketch, select the new plane, go to the back view, zoom in, we'll add the reference, add the first sketch as our reference, and then we're going to draw a line, but before that right click on the screen, select parallel to this line, avoid selecting any construction line, the arc, and final arc. Next, I'll put in the dimensions. These 2 points will be 90. This point to the center will be 150. And this 2 will be 25. And this will be 400. This will be 290. And this will be 1950. Okay. Next, we'll assign some constraint, add some constraint. I'll select this and this to be concentric, and this to be concentric. And now the sketch has changed in purple color. That means it is now fully dimensions. So exit from sketcher, and now we have the sketch for the loop, the second sketch. Now we will create a loaf, solid new loaf with these 2 sketch here, 1 and 2 here, and for the first one, the slope, we're going to adjust define slope, and I'm going to change the first one to be constant, right? And the direction I will make it follow the along Y, and for the outside I will remain free for the slope, and OK, and this will be the loaf, the solid loaf. Because the round, apply round on this 4H here, 4H of the loaf. The radius we'll use 20. You can preview and look at the result. Then OK. Next, let's offset. Make an offset of the object. Go to face offset, and I'll select this the whole object to offset and make sure it's pointing outside. And keep originals. Then you can preview if you want. And OK. So now we have 2 objects, one inner, one outer. So I can change this let's change to this global mix mode, and I'll change the external object into transparent. So now I can see 2 objects. And then I'll mirror these 2 objects, let's temporarily hide away this. And then I'll choose edit, copy, mirror, select these two objects, select this plane, and merge on, and OK. After that, I'll show back the main object. For now, let's show only this external object and this main object. Use this option, hide others, and then we're going to cut this two object. Go to use a solid and use a cut, and select this, and make sure you select the filter faces. Select this inner face, the inner face of the part. Flip the directions. This is what we want. Then OK. Next, we're going to cut. We're going to show the plane. Click show and show the offset plane. This is the offset plane, the second plane. Make sure you're on the filter tandems. I'm going to show this plane here. The plane for the second sketch of the loaf. And then use solid cut again. Cut this by this plane. Flip the directions. Then OK. Now merge this two objects. Select solid, merge. Select this object and this object, and OK to merge it. So now it become one object. Now let's show the loaf object. Click show. Select this. Press middle button to confirm. And then I'm going to use this loaf object to cut the main. Solid, cut. This is the main object to be cut. And this is the loaf. Make sure you select as boolean. And the cutting object, remove it of the finish. Okay. This is the result of the cutting. Now show the bottom object and make sure you display the step 56, the sketch. We have a sketch here already. Then we're going to use this sketch to remove the bottom object. Go to solid, remove, extrude. And currently the main object, the top object is active, inactive. You can see in green color. So I'm going to change the active object here by selecting here, pick reference object. I'll change the bottom and press middle button confirm. And then go back to this, pick close control. I'm going to select this and go down and OK to remove the bottom object. Let's open on the open edge again by the middle button and right button of the mouse, pressing together. To connect the top and bottom object, first we need to remove this space here. Right click on the screen, select remove geometry. Select all this space. This space also, we're going to remove it. And this. face, and then click OK to remove the face. Now we'll create a blend face to connect the top and bottom. Select face, blend. This is first section. This is the second section, the external one. And I'm going to change the slope. And the slope I will change to constant. And this also I'll change to constant. Preview field, okay. We're going to change this the slope of the first to change the long zag. Make sure it's pointing down, and click the point here also for the second section, a long zag pointing down. I'll change the weight to be 2 and click preview to look at the result. This is what we need now, and OK. Let's offer this open edge, and I'm going to split this a long edge. Use curve split, select this long edge, press middle button to accept, and split by this point. You can see now the edge has been broken down into 2, split, and I'm going to do the same thing over this side also by this point. Right. So next, I will use a face blend to make a blend face closing this to this area, and OK. Now let's split this face. I'm going to split this face, select this face, go to face, and select split. I'm going to split by using this point here, and then OK. After that, I will make a blend face over these locations. Go to face, blend, and I will choose this one. And the boundary will be this one, boundary. And adjust the slope to be tangent C, tangent C1. Change the width, let's say to 4, to create this surface. OK. Finally, we'll blend this face. Select this 2 edge here and face blend. And the boundary we will follow this and this 2 boundary, and the slope we'll put to tangent C1. Width 5. This is OK, and OK. We'll create the